Everybody, I thought I would let you check out how I am going to attempt to refurbish these badges that go on a 1981 Yamaha XV 750 Virago. Originally they were gold, as you can kind of see, but they're pretty much let's see, the O here, it's wiped off. And it's wiped off a lot of this. It just doesn't shine anymore. And I was never really a fan of the gold anyway. So we're going to try here to refurbish them and get them to where they'll look like chrome or polished nickel. So some things that you may need. I'm going to use 1500 grit sandpaper. That way I'll probably wet sand it, so I'll actually get a little bit of water. Just so I can scuff this up to where hopefully it will hold the color better when I apply the color. After I do that, of course, I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. Unfortunately, this is only 91%. It is the best that I could find that I had in my house, so it's going to have to do. I also got this, I don't know if you can read it here. Let me move it here. Liquid chrome. So it's a liquid chrome pen. Bought it on Amazon. I think it was like 12 bucks or something like that. And then, of course, I have a paper towel. So let's start. I'm going to get some water, and then I will fire this back up, and we will get started. So there's nothing special about this water. It's just a bowl of water. And what I'm doing is I'm putting the sandpaper in there. Get it nice and wet. And then I'm going to go over, and I'm going to lightly sand off the... they probably have clear on it, so I'm going to put this down really quick, but I wanted to show you that's what I'll be doing. I won't be going in circles, I'll be going in one direction. I have them wet sanded. You can see it didn't take all of the shiny chrome or gold type of stuff off, but it took a lot of it off. I'm going to clean these up with alcohol to get any of my fingerprints or any residual stuff. We'll let it dry, and then we will use some of this chrome pen. And after that, I'm actually going to have to shoot it with a little bit of clear out of a spray can. So far, I thought I would show you this is one coat. So one coat with the liquid chrome, one coat without. I would say it makes a substantial difference. One thing I do see is that there's a little bit of gold in there that I'm still not being able to get to. What I may have to do is I may have to put the liquid chrome on a toothpick or on a very fine tipped brush and try to get into those. But I mean, look at that, guys. All in all, it went from that to that with just one coat. I'm going to wait for it to dry, and I'm going to put a second coat on. So here is after two coats. I'll tell you what, guys, I think that looks pretty good. This liquid chrome, the only thing I have to say about it when you use it is if you start streaking, just press the nozzle or the tip of the pen down, press it down because it depresses, and then it'll load up, and then it'll flow a lot better to where you won't have the streaks. I know it's not perfect, but you know what? Trying to find badges for these in chrome, from what I have been able to find, are non-existent, or you're paying about 40 bucks for two of them. I paid 12 bucks for the pen, which will probably last me a whole lot longer than just these two, and I have 9 more bikes. So once this dries, I will clear it a couple of times, and then we should be good to go. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, guys, feel free to message me, and I will try to answer your questions as best as I can. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked what you saw, please consider clicking the subscribe and like button. That really helps me out. Watch my other videos where you can see me doing builds. I'm going to continue them throughout the summer and into the fall, and probably even next year, because I have a lot of bikes to get done. So yeah, so hopefully for anyone who needs a little bit of new chrome, but your budget doesn't allow you to get anything dipped or to buy new badges, you can use liquid chrome. Check it out. It's on Amazon. So pretty good stuff here, absolutely. All right, guys, thanks for watching.